Hi. No.
Good morning, this is Michael O'Neill and the number one fan of the Heart Party. What's your name, lady?
I'm Barbara O'Neill and I'm married to you.
Ooh, how about that? Well, we're coming to you today. I'm actually not in Australia right at this moment. I'm about to head back to Australia, but why am I over here, Barbara? Tell me.
Well, you're over here because we planned to meet together here about a year ago, because I'm travelling most of the year and I'm actually closer to Australia now than I have been for about the last 6 months. And so we're getting together for a few days because we really like being together, and this was the only little spot we had.
Yeah, so here we are, and I'm very much enjoying you coming. I'm very sorry to go home because we had actually planned to be together a week, but with the election I was able to duck away for the long weekend. So Barbara, tell me, why do you like the Heart Party?
Well, I like the Heart Party because it's really refreshing to see that someone's making a stand of, hey, we're Australians and we want to be the ones that have a say over our lives, over the choices we make. And we're pretty concerned about the government trying to put restrictions on the choices we make regarding our children, regarding what we eat, regarding where we go, regarding what we put into our body and what we choose not to put into our body, because it's our God-given right to do this. I'm so glad that there is a political party that's making a stand on this, and it's really refreshing to see the amount of people who are waking up, and I think they're waking up because of the Heart Party. The Heart Party that stands for health, environment, accountability, rights and transparency. It's time to stand.
Oh, that was well said. I think we might have. What do you reckon? We have this girl run as a candidate? For those that have just come on and don't know, I'm here with my little wife, Barbara O'Neill, and we're just talking about why she loves the Heart Party. And anything else about the Heart Party you love, darling? Anything else?
Oh yeah, I pretty much like the guy that runs the show.
Yeah, well, don't worry about that. So Barbara's all over the world. She's in exotic places, from Europe to Africa, and we just count this very short time. I'm very sorry I've got to duck back because we have election coming up and pre-poll, but I was able to take this little long weekend. It was supposed to be a week, wasn't it?
It was supposed to be a week, but anyway, it is what it is.
Duty is what it took all. So here we are, and just wanted to say hi to all our amazing followers out there, and Barbara wanted to say a few things because we love Australia. We want to see it turn back from this idea where the government has this overreaching control into so many aspects of our life. We want to let our people go through. So thank you everyone for tuning in this morning, taking time to watch us, and for those that might look at us later on, vote 1. If you haven't voted already, you can vote for me in the New South Wales Senate on the column I for intelligent. We're looking for intelligent people, aren't we?
We are.
And we know you. And thank you. It's the intelligent choice. We also have candidates in Queensland, Victoria, ACT, amazing people. If you're in the seat of Bennelong, we have the amazing, we have Barry Devine, we have Michelle Palmer out there at Penrith, we have Mary Jane Lidicott down in Canberra. Look, how do I name them? We have a wonderful candidate, Fraser down in Eden Monaro, and here I go now. I haven't named everyone, but thank you everyone. Thanks for our amazing team, and God bless you all.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Yep.